Hi guys, it's Grammy from Pops and Grammy, aka Laura, and I'm here with you for another reaction video, but this one's a little bit different. This one was requested actually by my son, who wanted me to react to a Blizzard cinematic. Now, I am familiar with Blizzard because I have played WoW for years, and when I mean years, I mean when he was a tiny boy, I was playing WoW. He's 25 now. Let's put it that way. I was playing when it first came out. So I am familiar with Blizzard. I'm familiar with a lot of their games and things like that. However, this one, I don't know anything about this. It's an Overwatch. The game is Overwatch. I don't even know what it is that I'm getting ready to watch. So he didn't even ask me to at least review something I knew about, which is World of Warcraft at least, or there was another one that they had out I used to play. I can't remember what it was. But anyway, so we're going to get right into it. Let's see what we got here, okay? All right, here we go, people. Let's see what we've been put into. All right, let's go.
I thought we talked about this. You don't have to do this anymore. Winston's message wasn't meant for you. This isn't your fight. Papa told me after so many years of service, you gave Overwatch everything, and then they pushed you out. Why would you go back to them? What were you still
I have to say one thing about Blizzard. All of their characterizations and their characters that they draw or they animate, whatever, are basically kind of all in the line of a WoW looking character to me. And you can tell this guy right here has got some kind of vendetta and something to prove. So let's see if I'm right.
So, that's it. You're leaving us.
I have been called. I must answer. It is a great honor.
To disappear into some secret organization. Give up the glory of being a crusader? I don't think so.
He wishes he got picked.
The Crusaders are immortal defenders of Germany. People will be singing songs about our legacies.
Our legacies are our
I'm digging the armor, man. Look at the armor. Look at the armor on this guy. He's got like a little fur collar thing going on, and he must be like a higher rank than this dude because he's got more gold and bling bling on his armor. But very impressive.
deeds. And this war is bigger than all of us.
Drop huts to the east, they're coming!
All right, people. They're playing our song. Stick with your dance partners. Let's crush those rust buckets.
Here's your walking stick, old man.
Live with honor.
Die with glory.
We work as one! Rocket up! Fire!
Yeah, he's giving him hell, isn't he? Look at that turbo pack on the back of his armor.
I love the wind in my hair.
Get back and protect your team!
Ah, they're just slowing me down. Ah! Besides, they're fine.
What is that?
That is mine.
Damn it, Reinhardt!
I'm thinking Reinhardt's a little bit of a ass, for lack of a better word. So full of himself.
Reinhardt!
Marvel sing!
We're being overrun! Fall back to the rally point! I'll get Reinhardt!
frankly, I think after that, I would just let Reinhardt bite it, man. Looks ready to go. Punch him in the head.
I had this.
Obviously. They're cutting us off! Let's move!
Well, now we know how Reinhardt lost his eyeball.
That door won't hold. Get back to the unit. I will hold them off.
And let you have all the glory? We will fight our way back together!
No, I'm staying here.
But without you...
Lieutenant! You took an oath to be a Crusader. Now, keep it.
I won't leave you!
The team needs you. Be their shield. Reinhardt, live with honor.
Gee, this is kind of sad. I'm kind of tearing up over this whole thing, man. How has my son got me watching this? What, do you think he knew it was going to make me cry? This is sad. I don't even know these two men and I want to cry. Just like passing the torch.
Die with glory, old friend.
Aw, poor little man. Get him, buddy. Oh, nice.
Barrier is failing!
So sad. Got goosebumps. Look. Ouch. Aw. There he goes. Sad.
I have been called. I must answer. Always.
Okay, so let's move that down. Alright, look. I'm like tearing up, people. Look. What has my son got me watching? I think he knew that. I think he just wanted to see his mother cry on film. I mean, on camera or whatever. That is... I don't know. That's sad. That's just really sad. Thanks, Doc. Thanks for making Mommy sad today. No, it was really good. I could see why my son wanted me to see it. It was Blizzard has a way of doing cinematics, and I know they do. I've watched WoW cinematics before. And That was that was really sad. Poor guy. Anyway. Alright guys, I've reacted enough, so I gotta go get a tissue. In fact, let me get a little tissue here. Go right by my nose. Oh. It was Make Mama Cry Day. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this reaction, and if you do, stick around with us. We're just growing our channel. We're just having fun, you know, just out for laughs. Pop's at work right now, but we're just out having a good time doing this and whatever. So, if you might want to join us, think about it. And if not, that's okay too. Bye guys. I'll see you later. Till the next thing my son makes me watch and makes mommy cry. Bye.